How to install TubeBuddy on YouTube in 2021. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can get TubeBuddy on your YouTube channel so you can start doing amazing keyword research so that you can optimize your videos, get more views, and grow your YouTube channel. Let's jump onto the laptop and let me show you how you can get TubeBuddy. So on your YouTube homepage, have a look. I have the TubeBuddy tool installed and I'm signed in to my TubeBuddy account. The great thing about TubeBuddy is you have all these amazing tools like the Keyword Explorer, the Click Magnet, the Thumbnail Generator, the Health Report, the Video A/B Testing and Bulk Processing, as well as a Copy Center and comment moderation, as well as best practice checks with video analytics next to your videos, which is really cool to have. And then the cool thing is you also have milestones. So TubeBuddy measures your milestones, so you can see we're nearly at that 2 million views mark and we're nearly at 8,500 subscribers, and you can see how many uploads we've had on the YouTube channel. So let me show you how you can install TubeBuddy on your YouTube channel. The first thing you need to do is scroll down to the description down below and click on the link. This is going to take you over to the TubeBuddy homepage where you can sign up for a free version of TubeBuddy tool. Now there is a paid version, and if you use the link down below, it is an affiliate link, so I will earn a small commission, but you also get a discount by using this link. So it's completely up to you. If you want to support the channel, you can use the link. If you don't want to, you can just head over to tubebuddy.com. Now, what you need to do is head over to the top right and sign up for a new account. If you already have an account, you're going to have an option to sign in, and you're going to sign in with your Google account. Now, select the Gmail address that you have your YouTube channel on, and it's going to ask if you want to allow TubeBuddy the permissions in order to edit your videos and publish and post stuff on your YouTube channel. You need to allow these permissions in order for TubeBuddy to do the internal work that it needs to do to optimize your YouTube channel when you are using the TubeBuddy tool. So once you've allowed that, head into your TubeBuddy homepage and you'll see all the options that you have from your TubeBuddy tool here. There's a health report, launchpad, competitor scorecard, search rank tracking, brand alerts, A/B testing, backups and exports. There's canned responses, which is you responding to comments, which is why they need that permission in order to push those comments back through to your YouTube channel. You can go into promo materials. There's a retention analyzer, there's usage statistics and settings. And the great thing about TubeBuddy is if you share it with your friends, you can earn affiliate commissions just like I am with this video right here. So it shows your affiliate center on the right here with the dashboard, and you can share your own affiliate link and you can actually earn back the same amount that you are paying for TubeBuddy. So you actually get the paid version of TubeBuddy for free. We have another video on how to set this all up and you can watch that right here. But it's a great idea to sign up for TubeBuddy and share that link with your friends so that you can start earning affiliate commissions just like we are. Next, we need to get the plugin installed on YouTube like we have it here. And what you need to do is head over to the Chrome store. So I want you to head over to Google and search Chrome store. Head over to the Chrome web store. And then I want you to search for TubeBuddy. And you'll see there is the TubeBuddy tool, and make sure it's offered by tubebuddy.com. So you can click on that, and we already have it installed. If you haven't installed it yet, it'll have an install button here or an add to Chrome. Here it says for us, remove from Chrome. But you will be able to add it to Chrome. Once you've added it to Chrome, then you can head back to YouTube and click on this TB button here, and then it's going to ask you to sign into your Gmail account and allow access to the channel. Then you'll have all of the tools that we have here, the Keyword Explorer, the Click Magnet tool, and then you can launch the tools from inside here. Inside the Keyword Explorer, you can type in any keyword you want to research or a video that you are thinking about creating for your videos. and it's going to give you an overall score, the search volume for that keyword, the competition, and the optimization strength for your channel, as well as some searches that are related to the keyword phrase that you have used. And if you click on a longer tail keyword, you should get a reduced overall score because the competition should reduce. So you can see the competition is really low there, and there's still good search volume for that specific term. And then you know exactly what you should create your next video on so that you can get more views. I hope this video helped you get TubeBuddy on your computer, and it's going to help you get more views and optimize your videos so you can grow your YouTube channel faster. If it did help you, smash that like button. If you have any questions or queries about installing TubeBuddy on your computer, please let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be happy to help you out. If you're new here, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel because we create new videos every single week, helping you start and grow on YouTube. Make sure you watch our next video here where we walk you through how we use the TubeBuddy keyword research tool in order to optimize our videos for search on YouTube so that we can get more views while we snooze. So don't waste another second and watch that video right now.